Welcome to AskPrep, your trusted companion for UPSC and IAS preparation. Today we will study about a very important topic of technology, which is how artificial intelligence is changing the world. Artificial intelligence is no longer a concept of the distant future, it is a present-day reality that is fundamentally transforming the world. From how we work to how we communicate and solve global challenges, AI is driving a new era of human progress. Its impact is visible across industries, economies, and daily life, reflecting both immense opportunities and profound challenges. In the healthcare sector, AI is revolutionizing diagnostics and treatment. Algorithms can analyze medical images faster and more accurately than human doctors, detecting diseases like cancer at early stages. Personalized medicine, powered by AI, allows treatments tailored to individual genetic profiles, increasing effectiveness and reducing side effects. AI-driven robots assist in surgeries, enhancing precision and reducing recovery times. Moreover, AI is instrumental in predicting disease outbreaks, helping prevent potential pandemics. In the world of finance, AI algorithms are reshaping how markets operate. Automated trading systems analyze market trends in real time, making split-second decisions that maximize profits. Fraud detection systems, powered by machine learning, can identify suspicious activities and protect consumers from financial crimes. AI also enables personalized financial advice, allowing people to manage their investments and savings more efficiently. The transportation industry is undergoing a massive shift with the integration of AI. Self-driving cars, though still developing, promise to reduce accidents caused by human error and revolutionize mobility. AI systems optimize logistics, ensuring timely deliveries and reducing fuel consumption. Airlines and railways use predictive maintenance, powered by AI, to prevent breakdowns and improve safety. AI's influence extends to agriculture, where it is helping to meet the growing global food demand. Smart sensors and drones monitor crop health, optimize irrigation, and predict yields, making farming more sustainable and productive. AI models analyze weather patterns and soil conditions, guiding farmers on the best planting strategies. The transportation sector is undergoing a significant transformation with the advent of autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars, trucks, and drones are reducing human error and enhancing logistics efficiency. AI is optimizing traffic management systems, reducing congestion, and lowering carbon emissions, contributing to sustainable urban development. In finance, AI is streamlining operations by detecting fraudulent activities, automating trading, and providing personalized financial advice. Banks and financial institutions leverage AI to assess credit risks and ensure regulatory compliance, making financial systems more secure and efficient. Education is another sector experiencing profound changes due to AI. Intelligent tutoring systems offer personalized learning experiences, adapt to students' learning styles, and provide real-time feedback. This customization helps bridge learning gaps and makes education more inclusive and effective. Governments worldwide are using AI to improve public services. From predictive policing to efficient resource allocation, AI enhances governance and policy-making. In India, AI-driven initiatives are being implemented in areas like agriculture, healthcare, and urban planning, aligning with the Digital India mission to improve citizen welfare. In education, AI is personalizing learning experiences. Adaptive learning platforms adjust content based on a student's strengths and weaknesses, making education more effective. Virtual tutors powered by AI provide round-the-clock assistance, breaking geographical and time barriers. AI also aids educators by automating administrative tasks, allowing more focus on teaching. Artificial intelligence is also playing a crucial role in environmental conservation. AI models analyze climate data to predict natural disasters, enabling timely interventions. Smart energy grids, optimized by AI, reduce energy waste and integrate renewable energy sources. AI helps track endangered species and combat illegal poaching, contributing to biodiversity preservation. However, with these advancements come significant challenges. one of the foremost concerns is job displacement. Automation threatens to replace millions of jobs, especially in manufacturing, retail, and transportation. This raises the need for policies that focus on skill development and job transition. Data privacy is another critical issue. AI systems rely on massive amounts of data, raising concerns about how this data is collected, stored, and used. Ensuring transparency and protecting individual privacy is essential to maintain public trust. Ethical considerations in AI decision-making also demand attention. Biases in AI algorithms can perpetuate discrimination, leading to unfair outcomes in hiring, lending, and law enforcement. Developing unbiased, fair, and accountable AI systems is a moral imperative for societies. Moreover, the rise of autonomous weapons and surveillance technologies powered by AI raises security and ethical concerns. There is a pressing need for global regulations to prevent misuse and ensure AI is used responsibly. Despite these challenges, the potential of AI to solve some of the world's most pressing problems is immense. It can accelerate scientific discoveries, improve healthcare outcomes, and make economies more efficient. The key lies in fostering innovation while implementing strong ethical frameworks and inclusive policies. As future policymakers and leaders, UPSC and IAS aspirants must understand the transformative power of AI and its implications. Informed decision-making will be crucial in harnessing AI for the greater good while mitigating its risks. At AskPrep, we aim to equip aspirants with the knowledge to navigate these complex issues and contribute to building a future where technology serves humanity. The story of AI is still being written, and its future will be shaped by those who understand both its potential and its pitfalls. By embracing this knowledge, future leaders can drive progress that is ethical, inclusive, and sustainable. Thank you. This is AskPrep, your guide to mastering UPSC and IAS preparation. Let's decode complex topics and simplify your journey to success.